These shorts have taken the gaming world by storm, generating over thousands of views for my gaming channel. Today, I'm going to unveil a groundbreaking strategy that will revolutionize the way we create gaming content shorts. Buckle up and get ready for an adventure like no other. Picture this, a channel dedicated to gaming clips that captivates millions of viewers. The inspiration struck when I stumbled upon the incredible success of channels like MrBeast Gaming and all the accounts with the GTA videos playing under them. These shorts have racked up millions of views, showcasing thrilling gaming moments that resonate with gamers worldwide. It became crystal clear that this was the path to follow if you're a gaming YouTuber or want to chop up other gamers' clips and use your channel to generate tons and tons of impressions. To kickstart our journey, let's focus on branding our channel. A catchy name is crucial, and that is where a brilliant mind of ChatGPT can come in. I asked ChatGPT to generate me 10 YouTube channel names for our Clips channel, and it didn't disappoint. Among the options, we carefully selected the perfect name that perfectly captures our vision. This wasn't needed for me, as I'm posting on my original channel. But if you're making a Clips account for the Nelk channel, for example, you would go with a name that Nelk Clips or Clips of Nelk, whatever ChatGPT suggests to you, and if it's a good name. Again, if they provide you with one that you sort of like, you can tell it to innovate and improve upon it. Now, let's dive into the visual identity of our channel. We'll tap into the creative possibilities of Midjourney and Leonardo.ai. This remarkable platform allows us to craft a unique image that represents our channel. We can use our logo or even the logo of the person behind the channel with the word Clips elegantly placed below it. This personalized touch will instantly connect with viewers, creating a recognizable brand. So you could take the Nelk logo and change the red to blue and add Clips under the N, just to give an idea using Photoshop. Or you could use Midjourney AI generated logo, which would go possibly as a prompt like Kyle from Nelk in a 4K cartoon sort of style thing. But we're just getting started. To leave a lasting impression, we need a stunning banner that sets the tone for our channel. Canva, the ultimate design tool, empowers us to unleash our creativity with its array of templates and intuitive interface. We can design a banner that is visually striking and aligns with our brand identity. Remember, simplicity is key, so let your imagination run wild and create something that truly stands out while still being simple. Now here comes the magic. AI-powered content collection and editing. Our target audience consists of passionate gamers seeking entertainment and valuable gaming guides. That's where Opus Pro takes center stage. This incredible platform curates the most engaging clips, with each one packed with excitement and expertly edited to maximize impact. I am re-uploading one of my guide videos to Opus, and then it is cutting it down while adding emojis and some text overlays to the video. You get 5 hours of free footage to upload, so make sure you use those 5 hours wisely. You can re-upload clips from Nelk and their podcasts if you were to do this Clips channel. But it doesn't stop there. Titles and hashtags hold the power to skyrocket our clips to a viral status. Drawing inspiration from Opus's suggestions, we can craft irresistible titles that pique curiosity and invoke a sense of urgency. You can create clickbaity titles from ChatGPT. Just make sure that you prompt it properly. If you give ChatGPT half-assed prompts, then it will return half-assed responses. These attention-grabbing titles will compel viewers to click and immerse themselves in the world of our gaming greatness. When it comes to hashtags, we need to strike the perfect balance. Include the top 3 most relevant hashtags is essential for discoverability and engagement. And here's a pro tip. Always start with a hashtag shorts to optimize visibility. We can't forget the power of a compelling description. SEO plays a vital role in driving search viewers, so crafting a description that hits all the right keywords is essential. By incorporating relevant keywords and crafting a captivating short intro, we can ensure our content stands out in the search engine results and attracts the right audience. Let's leverage ChatGPT's expertise to create an enticing description that captivates both gaming enthusiast and the algorithm. In this example, if we were to use the Nelk shorts as an example, we would prompt ChatGPT accordingly. The stage is set and the results are nothing of incredible. Our newly launched gaming clips is already gaining traction. Within a few days, we've seen phenomenal progress. One of our videos generated 1.5k views, boasting an impressive watch time of over 100%. That level of engagement is mind-blowing for a dead gaming channel like this one. But this is only the beginning. Consistency is key to long-term success. By staying committed to our strategy and continuously crafting our high-quality gaming clips, we can expect hundreds of subscribers, a vibrant community, and abundance of comments. It's an exciting journey and the possibilities are limitless. This is an easy way to repurpose our content and get some more outreach. This is possibly the easiest way to boost your impressions on your channel. Just look at what's happened to my Eats While Gaming channel, and it's 2 days behind. Huge growth. So hustlers, it's time to seize the extraordinary opportunity. Dive headfirst into the world of short-form content creation and witness your channel thrive. Embrace the power of AI leverage and the potential of YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Become a force to be reckoned with in the gaming community. Are you ready to embark on this epic adventure, the Shorts world awaits your arrival. Unleash your skills, connect with like-minded individuals, and build a channel that leaves an indelible mark on the gaming landscape. It's time to level up, my friend, and join the Growth Guild. With like-minded members, you'll be able to learn and grow together alongside your peers. Don't miss this opportunity. You got this. Don't be lazy.